welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me in another video. This video I wanted to show you a super easy 30-minute chili recipe. Now it's done with black beans. You can do it with whatever beans you like. So yeah, this is a staple dinner in my house for fall time, and since now we're entering mid-September, I feel like it's becoming more and more appropriate to cook. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this recipe and have a fun fall season. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel because next week I am going to share my fall home decor video walkthrough tour kind of thing. I wanted to give away 3 Starbucks gift cards to 3 people that are subscribed to me that are supporting me in this. So if you want to watch me next week decorating for fall and join me with a yummy Starbucks coffee in your hand, make sure to be subscribed to my channel. Now, without further ado, here's my chili recipe. Enjoy! The first thing I do is saute some chopped onions and garlic with some olive oil. After that, I add the ground beef with some water. Then I add all my spices. And I let that cook on a medium-high for about 10 minutes. Then I add the beans, corn, and tomato. And I let that cook on medium-low until it gets thicker. I add some cheese and cilantro before turning it off. And I serve it with more cheese and tortilla chips. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe and make sure to subscribe for more. Bye!